Morning all of you. So dear student, today we are going to learn about the basic terms related to the circle for specially 8th standard. Okay. So today we are going to learn basic terms related to the circle. Okay. This is the part of circle, basic information to the circle. Okay. So let's go. We are going to start basic concept and basic terms related to the circle. Okay. First of all, I draw the circle. Okay, this is a circle, and this is the C is the center of the circle. Okay, so this is a circle, and this is a center of the circle. First of all, what is circle, dear student? What is circle? Okay, first of all, what is circle? Circle means, do you know what is circle? So, circle means the set of all points on a plane, the set of all points on a plane that are fixed distance from the center of the circle. So dear student, this is a definition of circle, perfect definition of circle. So what is circle? Circle means the set of all points. Set of all points means the points on circles. This is point, this is points. Give the name of that points. Okay. So this is the A points, B points, C points, D points, E points. Okay. There are 4 A, B, C, A, B, D, E, F. Okay. See, I repeat. A, B, E, D, F are the points on the circles. So what is circle? Circle means the set of all points. Set of all points means set of A, B, F, D points. Okay. On a plane. This is a plane. Okay. And that are fixed distance. That are fixed distance means distance of CB, distance of CA, distance of CE, distance of CD, and distance of CF. Okay. Are the fixed distance from the center of the circle. Means fixed distance. Distance of CE is equal to distance of CD is equal to distance of CA is equal to distance of CB. Okay. That is called as the circle. So do you understand? Circle means the set of all points on a plane that are fixed distance from the circle. That is called as the definition of circle. Okay. After that, first term of the circle is center. Okay, this is a center, and center is denoted by capital letter C. So center means the fixed point which lies in the center of circle. Okay, first basic terms related to the circle is center. Okay, C is the center, and center is denoted by capital letter C. Okay, and center means the fixed point. This is the C is a fixed point. Okay, the fixed point which lies in the center of the circle, that is called as the center. Okay, so second is radius. Okay, second term is radius, and radius is denoted by small r, and radius means a line a line from center of the circle to the circumference of circle is called as radius. What is radius? Radius means a line start from center of the circle to the circumference. Okay, line from center to the circle to the circumference of circle. Okay, that is called as the radius. Once again, this definition is repeat: a line from center to the circle to the circumference of circle is called as radius. Okay, CA is the radius of the circle. Another radius is CE. Also CD, CF, CB are the radius of the circle. Okay, so first is center, second is radius, third term is chord. Okay, what is chord? Chord means this is a chord is a related term to the circle. Chord means a line touches to the any two points on the circle. Okay, what is chord? A line touches to the any two points on the circle, that is called as chord. For example, a line. Okay, a line means a line. This is a line. A line touches to the any points on the circle. Touches to the any points on the circle. Any points of that name is M, N. Okay, 2 points on the circle. Okay, and touches to the circle means a line touches to the any points on the circle. That is called as chord. Means chord means line touches to the any point of any 2 points on the circle. That is called as chord, and that name of chord is chord MN. Chord MN. Understand? After that, fourth term is diameter. Fourth term is diameter. What is diameter? Diameter means a chord passes through center of the circle is called as diameter. Okay, what is diameter? Diameter means a chord. This is chord. This chord is, so we are draw this chord from the center of circle. This chord passes through the center of the circle. Another name LM. That chord is LM. Okay, touches to the any 2 points on the circle and passes through the center of the circle. That is called as diameter. First of all, specially characteristic of diameter is passes through the center of the circle. Okay, so diameter. Okay, so first is a related term. First is the center, second is radius, third is chord, fourth is diameter. So what is the relation between diameter and chord? What is the relation between diameter and chord? So we learn the relation between the diameters and chords. Okay, dear student. So what is the relation between diameter and chord? Relation between diameter and chord. So diameter is equal to 2 radius. 2 times of radius. In short form, diameter is equal to 2r. Diameter is equal to 2r. After that, fifth term is circumference. Circumference of circle. Circumference of circle means this edge of circle. Circumference of circle means all the edge of circles, means point the length of point A to point A, all the edge means circumference of the circle. In shortly, perimeter of the circle is called as the circumference of the circle. Perimeter of the circle, and this is a 2 pi r. Also, circumference of circle is 2 pi r. So dear student, this point is, do you know, circumference of circle means perimeter of circle, and perimeter of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, and last terms related to the circle is tangent. Okay, tangent. Last term is tangent. Tangent means a line passes through, a line passes through, a line passes through touches only touches at only one point of the circle. It's called as tangent. Okay, so dear student, a line passes through at any one point of the circle is called as, a line passes through at only one point of the circle is called as tangent. Is called as tangent. Okay, so I draw a one tangent for point M. This is a tangent, and that tangent name is S. Okay, tangent S. This tangent passes through the at only one point at M. This is called as a tangent. This is called as a tangent. Okay, so after that, basic terms. This is order of basic terms. First is center, second is radius, third is chord, diameter, also circumference of the circle, and tangent. Okay, this part is over. Also, another part is most important for the circle. So this part is pi taking pi value is equal to 22/7. Every time we are taking the pi's value is 22/7. So why taking? So first of all, take two example. First of all, I draw a one circle and another circle. I draw two circles. In case first and another case second. Okay. So C1 is the center of the circle. Also C2 is the another second center of the circle. And this is the radius A, radius B. Okay. So taking, if r is equal to 7 centimeter, if taking r is equal to 7 centimeter in this case, or in this case r is equal to 14 centimeter. So first of all, solve and calculate. So I can prove that why taking pi is equal to 22/7. Okay, dear student. So first of all, I draw two circle. First radius 7 centimeter and another is a 14 centimeter. In case number first case, first of all, find the circumference of circle. Circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. Okay, and if radius is equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, so find perimeter of circumference of circle. Means circumference of circle means 2 pi r. Okay, so C is equal to 2 into pi's value is 22 by 7 into R. R means 7. So 7 7 cancel. So C is equal to 22 2 ja 44. Okay, so circumference of circle we get circumference of circle is 44. There after that taking the ratio of circumference of circle to the diameter. The ratio of taking the ratio of circumference of circle to the diameter. What is the value of circumference of circle? 44. Okay, and diameter, radius is 7. Diameter is double of radius, means diameter is 14. So simplify that ratio. 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4, 2 2 ja 4. So we get the value of the ratio of circumference of circle to the diameter is 22 by 7 in case first. Okay, also we can solve after the second case. Okay, also find the circumference of circle if radius is equal to 14 centimeter and C is equal to find out. Okay, C means circumference of circle is equal to 2 pi r. 2 into pi's value is 22 into 22 by 7 into r is 14. 7 2 ja 14. C is equal to 22 ja 44 and 44 into 2 88 centimeter. So we get circumference of circle is 88 centimeter. After that taking the ratio of circumference of circle to the diameter. Circumference of circle is 88. Diameter is double of radius 28. And simplify the ratio. 4 7 ja 28. 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8. Also C upon D is we get the 22 upon 7. In case first we get the ratio of C upon D is 22 upon 7. Also in case second C upon D is equal to 22 upon 7, means the ratio of C upon D is always constant. So therefore C upon D is equal to always constant in every example. Okay, so is equal to denoted by pi. Okay, after that C upon D is equal to pi. So consider that denominator is 1 and do cross multiply. C into 1 C and pi into D, pi D. Okay, C is equal to also pi is as it is and D means 2R. So therefore C is equal to pi 2R means 2 pi R. So we get the last result C is equal to 2 pi R. We can prove that this is the C is equal to 2 pi R means circumference of circle is 2 pi R. Understand dear student? Thank you for watching video.